Hello everybody! This is not a phone, this is a projector. But what you can do with this projector and your smartphone and so much more, I will show you here in that quick review.
Okay, let me show you a bit more what you can do with that box and so on. Of course, you can watch YouTube content. Well, it's pretty cool to watch it on a big screen. You can have a look on my channel as well, of course, like you're doing right now. And yeah, you can watch Netflix, you can watch Prime as Amazon Prime content, Hulu, Disney Plus, The Zone and so on. And you can even play games with your smartphone, and that is pretty cool to look at a big screen and play your games. It's feeling like you're using a PlayStation or Xbox or something like this. Pretty cool. And you can even make presentations from a smartphone and so on. You can just mirror it on a big screen. That's pretty cool. And yeah, the gaming tool, I like it. And apropos presentation, of course, you can use your laptop as well, and why not also use it as a monitor, as a big one. You can connect your PlayStation as well, of course, to play your favorite games on a very big screen. And mine, we're having the workout right now. Watch the games with your friends on a big screen. That's pretty cool. And also later, if you want to watch the Champions League and so on, or La Liga and so on, you can do that with that great box, and it gives you an amazing feeling to watch it on a big screen. Yeah, one of the key features of that box is it has autofocus. That means if you move the projector to another position, it focuses by its own, and you don't have to focus it all the time. That saves a lot of time. And if you want, you can focus it, of course, by your own if you want, but autofocus is a very nice tool. The K5 is a compact and portable projector box with a weight of 1.4 kilograms, and it comes always in black.
Okay, let's have a look on the top of the box. We will have here the power button, but please take care that you on here the box here first, so then you will see the color has changed here in blue, and if you long press it, it turns into green, then you know the box is turned on. So here you have two buttons to focus, but what is pretty great in the box, you have autofocus, and that makes this box pretty special. Okay, let's have a look on the back of the box. Of course, you can charge the box anyhow. And then you will have here on the back two USB 2.0 ports. And yeah, you can do many stuff with them. You can use external HDDs, you can use USB drives, you can use a computer mouse to navigate better on the screen and so on. And you can even charge your phone with that box. So pretty nice. Then we have an HDMI port here, of course, to connect a PlayStation, a laptop, or some IPTV boxes, in case you want, or a Blu-ray player, also so much more. And then we have here also an audio interface to connect maybe headphones or another speaker. But the speaker, by the way, is pretty loud, and also the quality is not that bad.
Okay, this box comes along with long life LED lamps from the German manufacturer Osram, so it will give you a minimum 30,000 hours of lifetime. So that means if you're watching every day 3 hours, you can use the box for more than 27 years. Amazing. The best throwing distance is recommended with 2 or 3 meters, so it would gives you a 70-inch or 110-inch screen. So amazing. By the way, the maximum throwing distance is 6 meters. It will give you an amazing screen of 300 inches. One of the key features I've told you already is the autofocus. So pretty cool. And then you don't have to adjust always the focus by your own. And the box supports also 3D. You're having 15,600 milliamp hours of battery, and that gives you an estimated time of 2 or 3 hours of video if you don't have it on charge. And by the way, if you're using it just as a Bluetooth speaker, you could have it for maximum 6 hours with that. Okay, the box is at $370 actually, or 350 euro, or 300 pounds. What is amazing, please mind that we have a 110-inch screen. That's amazing for that. And yeah, we have free shipping as well. And I've asked Toumei if they can do much more for us, and they give us another 5% discount. You can see it in the description below.
Okay, let's have a look now on the interface here of the K5. So we have an app store here, which one allows us to download here several apps like YouTube, Netflix, and so on, what is already pre-installed. But also here things like the IPTV app, which one allows you to watch TV from all over the world. So live TV, you can have TikTok and so much more. By the way, you have also the chance here to go with the Google Play Store, and that gives you also a big chance to have here your favorite apps on that box. Yeah, you have YouTube here. Just check your favorite content here. And yeah, we have Netflix and so on. We have a file explorer, what is very useful already if we have connected a USB flash drive or yeah, an external HHD, and you can watch then movies from that or have a look on photos and so on. No? But let me have a look here on my connected USB flash. I have here some videos and so on. Just an example, you can even watch entire movies and so on. No? So everything is possible to watch your favorite content on that box. And yeah, we have a user manual in many languages, so even if you don't speak so well English, but I think you do because you're looking at this video here right now, but you have a manual in several languages here and with several topics, so if you want to know something, this manual is from the basics later to the pro stuff. And we have also the MX player here to watch movies and so on. Yeah, I've downloaded also some apps here like Disney Plus or DAZN and so on. Pretty cool, by the way, if you want to watch the World Cup right now. And yeah, what is pretty awesome also is the point Mirrorcast, because you can connect your smartphone here with that. Let me show you a bit more about it. Let me go here first, and then maybe that's on the light that I can show you it on my phone, how to connect the phone with that. So just scroll down here. If you're having a Samsung phone, scroll down a second time, go here on the second page, and then you have here the point Smart View. If you tap on it, you have to wait for a few seconds, and then should appear K5, and there it is. And if you connect it here, and just go then on Start Now, then you have your device here mirrored on the wall. Was pretty awesome because now you can do a lot of stuff here. Now you can also play games and so on. And yeah, as a game of my children here. And yeah, you have a lot of options here. Pretty cool. Okay, let me show you now a bit in the settings which options you have to change and so on. And yeah, first of all, we have Wi-Fi. No? We have Bluetooth. You can change the picture mode. No? Maybe the brightness level. I would recommend to you to put it on high. Maybe if you are outside, because if there's a lot of sunlight, then you will see much more if you increase the brightness. But usually in the rooms and so on, middle is okay. Or if you have a very dark room, you can put it also on low. The color temperature is also important. Cool is the default settings here. I recommend to you to put it on warm, because warm is better for your eyes. No? There's not so much blue light and so on. And yeah, you can change, by the way, also here the projection mode if you want to have it regularly, or if you want to have it rear or from the side and so on. That's pretty important if you want to fix it maybe on the wall or head over, no? And so on. Then you can have here the keystone settings, and this is a key feature here of that box, because autofocus. That means if I put the wall here, sorry, the wall closer. No, if I put the projector here very close, it autofocus directly, and I have also the buttons here on top to change later the focus again and so on if I want. So a pretty awesome feature. You save a lot of time because you don't have to focus it manually. The system is doing that for you. Then you have also here general settings like wallpaper and so on. The fan is also important. It's on auto, so it's depending on the temperature and so on, how loud the fan is, but it is not that loud. By the way, I'm really sitting right next to the projector, but you cannot really hear that. Yeah, if you the signal settings, the sound settings, you can choose also the language. Even if it doesn't speak English so well, you can choose so many options, like also in Dansk and Czech and Hrvatski, I think from Croatia, and so much more. And yeah, I have also many 3D options. I don't have glasses for that, but if you order it, you can order, by the way, also glasses directly from Toumei.
And by the way, you can use the box also as a Bluetooth speaker only. That means if you just press the power button for short, then you have the option to change the mode into a Bluetooth speaker mode. And then the light will turn off, that saves energy, and you can use the box as a Bluetooth speaker, by the way, up to 6 hours.
Okay, we are already at the end of the video, and I want to say thank you, and I want to do a little unboxing with you again so that you know what comes along with. Of course, we are having the box, which one is at 1.4 kilograms as we have learned, so nice and portable. We have some instructions for the interface, but you have a complete manual as we have seen later again, and we have here a remote control, of course, and we are having a charger. So this is a summary we have here. I want to say thank you so much that you have watched this video, and I hope I could give you a nice overview here for the box. Yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or leave me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for watching this one, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.